One of those annoying things that happens when you're resawing is that the offcuts slide down into the throat plate opening, get stuck beside the blade. You have to turn off the saw, wait for the blade to stop moving before you can take them out. It's a big waste of time. Well, I've got a solution, and this is it. Not the cereal, but the box it comes in. We're going to use the thin cardboard to create a zero clearance table. We'll just make a saw curve halfway through the cardboard, and then we'll tape it down to the saw table. Now we're ready to add the tape. And now we're ready to go. You can see, if I raise the guard, there's absolutely no room for an offcut to fall and get stuck between the blade and the throat plate opening. You can even use the fence. It slides right over the cardboard.